itong musical na to will tell the story of reaching for your dreams. Tahan ako kasi syempre, kumbaga in my head, nag-run agad, ano kaya yung mga possible storylines na pwedeng mangyari? Kasi syempre, I want it to be really beautifully woven yung story doon, kung paano tatahiin yung mga songs ko. So, kinabahan ako for that part. Pero syempre nga, knowing the track record of Newport World Resorts musicals, alam ko na my music will be in good hands. So, nung nabuo na lahat ng story, of course, Direk Dali is the one who's written the narrative, yung main storyline ni Delia D. Nung nalaman ko na nung nabuo na siya, of course, kung paano minout yung production, with the direction of Direk Dexter, wala na yung kabak. Kaya sa akin is yung edge nila na to make it a really tight musical play, kasi syempre may mga ilang specific scenes na ayaw naman namin na okay, gamitin yung song na to for the sake of providing music dun sa scene. Gusto namin talagang sobrang sakto yung context and yung song na ginamit sa scene. So, ayun. Kaya madali ako na-convinced to write really specific original songs for Delia. Very excited for Delia D musical featuring the songs of yours truly. Nanginibitahan po kayo kasi itong musical na to will tell the story of reaching for your dreams. And yung mga pangarap na gustong maabot natin, iba't ibang character tayo sa buhay. Bawat isa makaka-relate dito sa pinagdaanan ni Delia D.